Let's talk about taxes and how taxes work within this business. So I definitely want you to make sure that you are going to a qualified accountant and getting their opinion on all of this. I want to preface this that you definitely want to go to an accountant still and make sure that everything you're doing within your business is done correctly. But in my experience, I want to give you a few tips on doing taxes. So the way that taxes work with SeneGence, when you go to check out, you will realize, let's say you are placing a 300 PV order. And if you're still in your first 90 days, we all know that a 300 PV order is 50% off. Once again, in your first 90 days, a 300 PV order is 50% off. So you are therefore getting $600 worth of products for $300, right? Because you're at the 50% off mark. So when you go to check out, if you haven't done this already, you will realize that you're being taxed on $600 worth of product on the retail value of the product instead of the $300 that you're actually spending for the product. The reason that SeneGence does that is because they are taxing us and we are paying the money for the taxes, and then they're reporting those taxes to the state that you live in. So it really saves us an extra step and is super helpful for us. I love that they do this. I really do love it. It simplifies things so much. The other way that you're going to be taxed is once you start to build a team. So once you start to build a team, you will definitely, at the end of the year, get a 1099 that will say all of the income that you've made because of the team that you've built, off of the commission that you've made off of these team members. So you, as you build a team, it's really important to be setting money aside throughout the year so that you are prepared to pay however much tax you're going to have to pay at the end of the year when taxes are due, or I guess April, or whenever you pay it, when the taxes are due. So there's my 2 cents on taxes. Remember, you are going to be taxed when you're checking out. You are going to be taxed on the retail value of the product, but this is in our favor, and I love that they do this. The second way you're going to be taxed is when you start to build a team. You'll be taxed on the commission you're making, and you will receive a 1099 from SeneGence. So if you're not building a team, you don't even really need to worry about it. But I hope that answers any questions you guys had on tax. And once again, make sure that you are asking a CPA and not just going off of what I'm saying. It's really important that you are working with an accountant and that you are making sure that everything in your business is checking out correctly. Thank you so much and have such a good day.